Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change name on Upwork. All right. First up, go ahead over to upwork.com. Just go ahead and hit on enter. If you're using the app, the same steps apply. All right. Now in here, make sure to log in. Now, once logged in, go ahead and click on your profile, which is right here at the top right. Click on it. Now in these options, just go ahead and click on account settings. All right. Click on it and wait for the website to load. Now, once it loads in the left pane, make sure that you are in the contact info tab. All right. Make sure that you click on it. Now here in the center of your screen, just go ahead over to account section. And in here, there will be an edit button. All right. Just go ahead and click on it. Now, as you can see, we will now be able to edit our first name and last name. All right. Just go ahead and click on backspace on your keyboard and then re-enter your desired first name and last name as well. All right. Once done, if you want to, you can go ahead and change your email, but it is not recommended. All right. Then go ahead and click on update. Once you click on it, it will require you to re-enter your password. Just go ahead and do that. And once done, it will just redirect you back to the same exact page with the name changed. All right. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.